Face Cleanup, 5 Easy Steps by Top Beauty Influencers. Even if our skin bears a lot for us the whole day, only a few among us put extra efforts to clean it and pamper it. The increasing pollution, UV rays, makeup and dirt which our skin bears all day cannot only be removed with face wash or makeup remover. You need to spend a little extra time cleaning up after every 15 days to keep your skin clear, bright and radiant. If you do not prefer to go to fancy salons, then do not worry. You can perform good face cleanup at home with your good quality skincare products as well as the natural ingredients present in your kitchen. You can do face cleanup at home using cleanser, steamer, exfoliator, toner and moisturizer. Otherwise, you can use natural ingredients such as honey, cucumber, milk and curd to clean up your face. Face cleanup steps at home. For face cleanup at home, you need good quality skincare products that are suitable for your skin type. You need a good cleanser, scrub, steamer, toner and moisturizer. Cleansing. Remove all makeup from face with makeup remover or cleansing milk. Now, wash your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser and pat dry your face with a towel. Steaming. After cleansing your face, steam your face either using a facial steamer or a container filled with boiling water. Cover your head with a towel and keep your face a few centimeters away from the steamer or container. Do not take steam for more than 5 minutes. Wipe your face gently with cotton cloth. Steaming is usually helpful for people with oily skin. It removes the toxins, cleanses the face and helps to remove the whiteheads and blackheads. Exfoliating. It helps to remove the dead skin cells and makes the absorption of skincare products better. Use a gentle scrub on your face for not more than 3 minutes and then wash it. Applying face pack. Face pack is a great option to pamper you. Choose the one suitable for your skin type. Use a gentle scrub on your face for not more than 3 minutes and then wash it. Apply its even layer on skin and wash it when it dries. You have acne, then select the anti-acne face packs. Toning. It refreshes skin and seals the pores and keeps skin hydrated. Use alcohol-free and chemical-free gentle toner. Moisturizing. It helps to keep skin hydrated and prevent various skin issues. Select the moisturizer formulated for your skin type. Now, let's have a look at the 5 steps face cleanup up with natural ingredients. 1. Cleanser. You can easily cleanse your face with these below mentioned natural cleansers. Milk. It is an efficient facial cleanser that contains compounds that enhance the skin barrier function. Thus keeps skin soft and improves its health. How to use. Add a small amount of salt in milk and apply the mixture on your face and neck with cotton. Curd. Curd contains compounds that help to eliminate the blemishes and age spots. It soothes it and leaves it moisturized and rejuvenated. How to use it. Grind 1 cucumber in a mixer and add some curd to it to form a thick paste. Apply this paste on your face and leave it for 10 minutes. Then wash with lukewarm water. 2. Scrub. Take the help of some natural exfoliator to exfoliate your face. Banana oatmeal scrub. Bananas contain amazing nutrients such as vitamin C and potassium. How to use. Mash 1 banana and add 2 tablespoons of powder oats in it. You can add some curd for better consistency. Apply this mixture on your face and scrub your face with it. Honey and oats scrub. It is an effective natural moisturizer and exfoliant. How to use. Grind half cup oats and add 1/4 cup curd and 1/4 cup jojoba oil in it. Apply this mixture and scrub your face for 1 minute. Wash your face with warm water. 3. Toner. Following are some of the best ingredients that make perfect face toners at home. Apple cider vinegar. It helps to balance the pH level of the skin, thus improves the skin complexion. It has the ability to remove the suntan and shrink the open pores. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. How to use. Dilute apple cider vinegar in a bottle with its double amount of water. Use it in routine as a toner with cotton. Cucumber and aloe vera. Aloe vera helps to keep skin young and protected from the UV rays. On the other side, cucumber hydrates the skin. How to use: mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in half cup of cucumber juice. Apply it on your face and neck with a cotton pad. Face pack: you can use various ingredients to make face packs such as banana. Banana helps to make your skin smooth and hydrated. How to use: mash 1 banana and add 2 tablespoons of honey in it. Apply this paste on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash it with warm water. Sandalwood and rose water. The face pack formed with these 2 ingredients will soothe your skin and help in the tanning. How to use: mix sandalwood and rose water to form a paste. Apply on your face. Wash it with normal water once it gets dry. 5. Moisturizer. You can use a number of natural moisturizers present in your kitchen to moisturize your face, such as coconut oil. It is found in almost every house. It has antibacterial properties and helps your skin boost collagen production. It helps to improve the moisture levels in the skin. Olive oil. It has a high content of vitamin E, which possesses anti-aging properties. The antioxidants present in it helps to soothe the skin and repair damaged cells. So this is all about face cleanup. It is not as difficult as it sounds. It includes simple facial cleanup steps that will take 30 to 45 minutes to complete. You will be amazed with the after effects of face cleanup. Your skin will appear clean, flawless and glowing just by spending a few minutes. One more important tips for face: don't use hot water or cold water for washing your face. Always use normal or warm water. Massage your face with any essential oil in circular motion according to your skin to get the glowing skin. Don't use hot water or cold water for washing your face. Always use normal or warm water and massage your face with any essential oil in circular motion according to your skin to get the glowing skin. I hope you like this video. Experience healthy skin and hair. Derma Essentia.